explorers, and welcome back to the channel again. Freaking Explorer NZ here, and I'm here at an abandoned pub, which is unfortunately abandoned due to an earthquake, and it's quite badly damaged and cracked and whatnot, and unfortunately probably will get pulled down. So we'll have a quick look around this awesome pub and see what we can find. Cheers explorers, welcome back to another adventure. Rightio explorers, we first of all have here the main bar where you'd come and ask your bartender, beer please, crate bottle, Waikato. Happy hour. Right, so we have the main sort of publican area. People come in. There has been a bit of vandalism done to this pub, although it is mainly earthquake damaged. And if we go through along here, we have the TAB area. TAB. You come in here, place your bets. It's got the old TVs and stuff here. Next race. Through here. Sort of the main disco room here. Look like another gaming area through here. Make it a bit brighter. It's a bit dark in here. Yeah, so a bit of a seating area here. Some tagging. Wick. Some old style chairs here. Another tag over here. Through here. Earthquake damages. What do we have here? Oh, we have the safe. No one's cracked it yet. I'm no master safe cracker, so I won't give it a go. Looks like someone's drilled the lock. Yep, someone's drilled the lock out. Old back office here. You can see quite a bit of damages and sort of all vandalism. Still a lot of vandalism in here though. People just can't help themselves. I'm not sure where this is area. Ah, there's the back door. I didn't even see that on my travels. Ah, it's all overgrown. Weird. Ah, very unusual. Anyway, fire extinguisher. Data box perhaps for all the everything, I'm not sure. We have the roster for the workers.
Oh wow.
And through here, that's the stairs to upstairs. We'll go up there in just a moment. Back here we have the back pub area, an old stove, an old shacklock stove. Unusual energy in here. Oh, we have the basement. I know when spirits run, I always get a tug on my bag. Just people get different things, that's what I get. I always get a tug on my bag, it just becomes heavy. Someone's coming along for the ride. There's a chiller. Wonder how creepy it is in the basement. Look down the creepy basement. What could be lurking in the basement? Well, it'll be safe in the basement if there's been an earthquake. There's crumbly rocks and stuff here. Oh, there's bits of crumbling concrete as well. Maybe it's not safe in here. There's structural cracks over there. It hasn't fallen down this far. And I'll put tapes in here to prop it up. Well, this pub's propped from falling off timber, so that's my cue to get the heck out of here. I think we've cleared the first floor in the basement now. I'm pretty sure we've done a good walk around of. It takes us back into the. Now I've got some further. Well, that's the back of the TAB area. Oh, pardon me, excuse me. Bit of a bird. What was in there? Storage room. Wow, look at the old wallpaper. Right, so that's a full walk around now. Pretty sure we find the door that went into the back of the bar. There was a basement. That was through here. Yep, so that's the full. There's the rest of the bar. Because the fireplace has come down, chimneys crumbled. Cash drawer. A sink down there. Some bar fridges here. Alright, so let's have a look up the stairs. So, oh, bar swinging hinges. Cool. Right, up these dodgy ass stairs. They're wonky as anything. There's lots of structural cracks and damages up here. Just had a quick look before we walked around to make sure it was safe to walk around and to know where we're going during the video. Believe it or not, this third story just takes you to a random toilet up there. You go up, and in here there's a toilet. You get to the toilet from the floor up, all the stairs up. So they've got brackets in here. They've been bolting around the place to stop it from falling over. Some water. We have an apartment up here. A kitchen, wraparound kitchen, 90s style. Wood panelling. This is where the vandal-work really kicks in. And the structural damage of all the cracks in the walls. And this is where people have been stealing floorboards, pinching copper. Actually, they've been putting these brackets in. That's why the floorboards are missing there. They've added brackets to hold the floor up from detaching, which makes me feel really safe. Whoa, there's a whole bunch of cable work holding the walls and the structure and the timber together. Brackets up there. It didn't really make me feel too safe knowing that this building's held together with steel cables and floorboards have good movement. Here's a steel cable right here, rigged back to the concrete wall, holding this building together. And like I say, the floorboards only held together by those plates there. So we'll have another look around, see if there's I don't know if I really want to walk through that room, the cables. If those cables went ping, I mean this just hallway, it's just, it's about 200 millimeters out of level. There's a bathroom in there. Holy heck. Bedroom in there. Oh my goodness. This floor's so dodge. Fuck, this is so wonky. So fucking dodgy. There's a cable here too, holding the floor together. I'm not scared of heights, but this is the sort of shit that can make you scared of heights. Honestly. Bath. It's just not. You have to tread so lightly in here. People have been walking in here pretty sweet, footprints and stuff, but that's what's holding this building together. Look at the beautiful panel work. Oh, there's some more stairs here. A grand stairway. I didn't see the stairway before. Is it safe? It looks too cool to not walk on it. That's solid. Oh, it's boarded up. This nice stairwell here. This is fucking awesome. Sorry, excuse the language. Rephrase that. This is awesome. Oh, there's another bit in here. Wow. Oh, wow. Man, this is cool. Someone might have been squatting in here. There's a backpack there. What is? There's old jars, an old fireplace. Wow, look at that skylight. Wow, this is a beautiful old building. Beautiful. This is mean. Look at this. This is just too cool. Yeah. Oh, apparently we've been called out to. That's right. Oh, apparently the neighbours saw us, but we're not doing anything wrong. We're just making a video. Well, here's what it is. yeah, so we'll continue our walk around and not worry about the neighbours, because we're just showing you guys this cool building. We're not vandalising or causing any damages. We're back to that main room. So we've pretty much showed you every room now anyway. So we'll head on out. Right. Oh, they're in the garage over there, are they?
Someone in the garage.
There's two people in the garage.
What, one an old man from up here?
Yep. Right, explorers, we'll head down the stairs. Alright, well, we made it past the nosy neighbour. We've had a good look around. And we've made a cool video for you guys, so we'll head on out. Back in the bar. Pretty cool bar area. Well, explorers, that's the end of the episode for today. We're going to cruise on out of here. If you did like this video, please remember to like and subscribe to the channel and push the bell notification button, and please remember to comment down below. We'll catch you on the next explore soon. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. The Forsaken Explorer, over and out.